Yes, still kicking. When we pulled him from that van with a bullet in his shoulder, he still had a pulse, unfortunately for him. I guess he found a way out the rat's noise too. I sort of like the new you. I still fucking hate the old you. They're all coming together. Braga, Manticore. And though you can't see it yet, you're friends. You think they'll ever forgive you for what you did to Citadel? When they turn on you, which they will, you would do well to have family watching your back. Thank you. We were in the same apartment, had the same explosion, saw the man we both loved melt into his fucking bed. I've done terrible things to you. But I didn't make you this. And I promise you, you can trust me more than the man who did. My man planned that drone strike, gave the order that killed your father, and I assume he won't hesitate to kill you. Rats! Find a way. What is it? It is.
Saan yung gawin po? Ay, sorry. Hurry! Oh!
Joe,
Problema ka?
listen, I have 3 brothers 10 seconds each, okay? This is the last time you're going to hear my voice, so take everything I tell you, okay?
Huh?
No, listen, Joe, you stay put. You understand? Stay put. Don't trust anyone. Don't go anywhere. Keep the girls safe. Keep them safe, and I keep you safe. That's the deal.
Sinasadya, ano ko lang ilaw. Nalilito ako ano ilaw dyan. Ito nga tayo, kulang po akong bukas na.
And when you see the stars falling from the sky, you will know that everything is okay. Understand? Tell her that I love her, and I'll tell her, and you